at this beautiful finish on my car. How old is this car?
9.
9 years old. And look at that glossy, perfect paint job. It has not been repainted. It's just been really well cared for. And this is the new member of the family. At the first sign of a chip or a crack, I don't see any cracks. At the first sign of a chip or a crack, you should get a repair kit. Save yourself hundreds of dollars by spending about $10 to get a repair kit that you can use to stop the crack from continuing on and making the situation worse and expensive. I bought this one on Amazon. This is the second time we've used this particular kind of kit.
Film.
Comes with one razor blade, this film. He's not letting me touch it.
It's a bullseye.
It's super hard to focus on it.
Removing any little glass edges.
Oh, okay, so he's with the razor blade, you scrape off any little chips or pieces that might be sticking up.
Dry towel, don't put stuff on it. Center the hole.
Center the hole above the crack, so you can see the crack through the hole?
Mm-hmm.
Or the chip?
Yep, the chip.
Cracks are different, right?
Yep. Same kit. I've done both with the kit. Alright, that's good.
This piece is called the resin chamber, and you screw it in. Apparently it's not threaded properly, so he's going to try to trim the edge so he can thread the... What's that thing called again? The tube?
The resin chamber.
The resin chamber's not fitting in, so he's got to manipulate it with a... correct a little issue here. This is not the exact kit that I bought last time, by the way. They're all very similar.
There it goes.
Oh, it's fixed. Do over. Gosh, your windshield's so shiny.
It's not even clean.
Not even clean. Why? You drove it after you washed it? Super cool. With the reflection.
Yeah.
Okay. So he's cutting off the tip of the resin bottle.
Come on.
How many drips?
2, 3, 4, 5. Put 5 on there. See if it's leaking, which it's not leaking. Putting this in.
So does that push the resin down into the chip? Okay.
Then you gotta check from the inside. Liquid.
Oh, you can see the liquid filling the crack now? To make sure the resin gets down there in the crack?
Mm-hmm. I just have to leave it.
Cool. For how long?
Like 6 minutes.
Okay. So you leave that resin pressed in the chamber for 6 minutes. Pretty pristine interior. Lovely. Has 47,063 miles. Don't lose this stuff. This is for the finishing product. This is the UV strip for when you pull the car out in the sun and cook the resin in place.
Do you slightly unscrew it to take it off of the...
Slightly unscrew the first one or the second one that you put on?
The whole thing. They come as a pair.
Okay.
And then you just lift off the little section.
Remove the suction cups.
Another drop up here.
And the UV sheet goes on. Now set a timer for 10 minutes. Last time we were able to do 3 repairs with one kit.
Yeah, I just wanted to clean it up.
Okay, hold your breath then. Work sharp.
Yep, it's just a knife and tool sharpener.
Knife and tool sharpener. So you can do lawnmower blades?
Yep.
Wow. Axe blades?
Yep.
That's cool.
Scissors, all that stuff.
Scissors?
Scissors.
I gotta go get my scissors. Be right back. Okay, just kidding. Just kidding.
Different
Grits?
grits.
You can what?
I can get this straightened out before that's ready.
Oh, wow. So this is what to do with your free time when you're waiting.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world
Just go down the
seems small.
coarseness,
We
the
can
fineness.
sit together.
Did I also get this from Amazon? Ah, the
To make
polishing
it-
belt.
Ludicrous.
Ridiculous sharp? Or
Ludicrous
is
sharp.
that what it says on there?
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous sharp. Ludicrous is like a rapper. Keep moving it. Yeah, beautiful. Gotten mixed reviews, but it's really great. So maybe people don't know how to read the instructions.
That's my opinion.
This kit only comes with 2 pieces of film and the other one came with 4. So watch that. Try and get the one with more pieces of UV film in it.
The DRIDE before scrapping away the hard
DRIDE.
Ened excess resin.
Oh my gosh, who writes this stuff?
Hold the razor blade at a 90-degree angle to the windshield for best results. Say what?
10 minutes elapsed. Sir, that appears to be more of a 45-degree angle. 90-degree angle, whatever. You cannot do a blade at 90-degree angle.
No. So it didn't disappear.
It doesn't ever really disappear, does it?
It did the one on your car. It's gone.
Yes, this keeps the chips from spreading, which is perfect. And sometimes you can get them so clean that you don't even see the chip anymore. Sometimes you get perfection, and sometimes you don't. Sometimes it disappears.
So, that was a huge rock.
This circle's been filled, but it did not disappear. A big rock hit the windshield right after he bought the car. And it didn't disappear, but it has not continued to crack further. 9 years that crack's been there.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back